So I am home from work and I just cut my last two kohlrabi. I could not keep the leaves because they were infested with aphids. So I cut off the leaves and I dropped these kohlrabis in hot, salty water, and you just saw all the aphids pop off. So I'm not going to show every step. The first time I ate a kohlrabi, I wasn't really feeling it. So now I'm looking up how to cook them. So I'm going to prepare them right now. I got some onions and get some garlic. Well, I have some garlic powder, homemade garlic powder, by the way, that I dehydrated myself. And I'm going to saute them. And my mother made some baked potatoes, and that's what I'm going to have for dinner. So let me get started with preparing them and cutting them up. Okay, so this is a purple kohlrabi. I have cut off all the stuff. You see I have one more left. So I'm going to go ahead and try to slice it into long pieces and then season, put some salt on it, and get my garlic powder. And I think we do have an onion there, so I'm going to use an onion and start sauteing it. Okay, so I've cut up my kohlrabi. As you can see, I added salt to get the moisture out, and I have a little bit of onion here. And I'm going to cut that up. And here's the garlic powder that I made actually last year. We still have a lot left. And then I'm going to saute it. So let me go ahead and prepare the onions. Get out a skillet. And then I'm going to eat the kohlrabi and sauteed onions with half of a baked potato my mom made. Everything is organic. I decided to go in the garage and get a bigger onion. So I'm going to slice up some of this and then I'll start sauteing. So now I'm melting butter in the skillet, and soon I'm going to dry out the kohlrabi, but I'm going to start by sauteing the onions. While the onions are sauteing in the butter, I'm going to dry out the kohlrabi. We're getting there, everybody. We are getting there. Sorry, so I decided to show myself. I have my pajamas on. The onions are smelling good in the skillet. They are turning brown. I didn't want to show myself because I had my pajamas on, but I thought I would. They're starting to brown. I'm drying out the kohlrabi. I'm about to throw it in the skillet with a little bit more salt and some garlic powder, and I'll show you the results in a minute. Okay, so I got interrupted with a call, but I wasn't really feeling a kohlrabi. Usually I can make anything work, so I put garlic powder and onions and salt and all that in it and sauteed it. And you saw in the pictures, I put it on top of half of a baked potato that I have. And I really wasn't feeling it. That's my second time trying to eat the kohlrabi, and just a bland taste. Maybe I should put more seasoning in it. I kept putting, and I cooked it and sauteed it in butter. I'm gonna try to grow it again next year to see if it's something that I like, but it was just like blasé. Now, if I was hungry and like that's all the food, if all the food I have was just in the garden, I didn't have no other food, I'd probably go, oh, this is the best thing in the world. But to me, I was just kind of like, with the kohlrabi. So that is it for this evening. That was my meal. I'm supposed to be doing Meatless Monday. I had like a chicken salad sandwich for lunch, so I didn't get to do a complete Meatless Monday, but I thought I'm going to make my dinner meatless. So I had potato, the kohlrabi, sauteed onions, and that's what I ate. It was okay. I'm gonna keep trying different recipes. It was pretty tender after I cooked it. I thought maybe I didn't cook it enough, but no, it was pretty tender. And the rest I put in the refrigerator, and I'll figure out. I have there's some steak in there. Maybe I'll cut up the steak and take it to work and eat it, with the steak. Maybe the juices from the steak will make it taste better. I don't know. I'm just not feeling the kohlrabi. But it wasn't horrible. It was just kind of blasé. Anyway, that is it. This is my video on making kohlrabi the best that I could have, because I got interrupted with the call. I had to talk to my friend. So anyway, I'll see you all later. Have a blessed evening. Bye.